Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update on my 1000 days challenge. This is day 758, so let's get things started. Alright, first and foremost, balance and equity remain the same. Yep, I did mention the idea yesterday, but over the last one, we have a $300 loss, so let's mention that. Other than that, if we look across the board, today is Sunday, so just doing a very quick in terms of crypto market wise, we definitely still lean towards the bearish side. Because first and foremost, we have a very decent bearish candles itself. There's no sign of support yet. Similarly, like what we've seen over here, there's no clear sign of support yet, so definitely do lean towards the downside of things, especially as we are still below the 20 exponential moving average itself. We could have some sort of like a very sharp pullback, so I'll be a little bit more cautious in terms of scaling up in terms of position wise. But I'm still in terms of a short setup for Ethereum itself, not for Bitcoin. I mentioned I missed this straight setup, so over here, so I'm not going to enter any further additional setup from then on. All right, other than that, where else we could potentially hit? I do think that very likely we could hit this E19K region itself, so I'll be very cautious if that region is hit. And potentially I'll be considering taking at least half the profit or half the position close in order to lock in certain profit. But yeah, that's more or less about it. For me, I'm just managing my trade for Ethereum itself. If you want to show, maybe you can just switch over to Ethereum and just show you roughly what's the ideal concept behind it. So for Ethereum itself, my entry was somewhere along here. Yeah. So yeah, somewhere along here. If I'm not wrong, I missed the perfect entry over here. I mentioned over here, so I enter around here. My stop loss was placement was around here. It really hit 1:1.5. I've already locked in half of the profit wise. In terms of targeting when to exit, if you look in terms of daily chart, definitely things looks a little more bearish, especially when we break down over here, retest over here, then now we broke below here. So in terms of potential support, we could see a very nice potential support as the 12.4K region itself. So that's where I would consider taking a majority of my profit itself. So if you look, in which case I'll be taking around 1:3.6, and to half that, that will be 1:1.8 because I've already locked in half the profit. And right now I'm just trading the other half of the profit itself. But even if I take the remaining half of the position over here, I'm still having a very good risk to reward of around 1:2 region itself. Yep. Otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by